Hello and welcome. Are you interested in analytics and statistics software for your Tesla, but don't like the idea of granting a third-party complete access to your vehicle and all of its data and remote functions? There's a solution to that: TeslaMate. TeslaMate is a freely available open source software package that you host yourself on your own computer on your own network. Or, as I prefer to do, you can run it in an Amazon Web Services or AWS account and access it securely via an SSH tunnel from anywhere you have an internet connection. I have accessed it from my Linux-based computers, as well as my Android-based smartphones and my Apple iPad. I will be demonstrating how to do this in an upcoming video. By not running TeslaMate on a home computer, you don't have to worry about a power outage or an accidental unplugging taking your TeslaMate installation offline. And by using SSH tunneling, the website is not publicly accessible. You must have the SSH key to gain access, thereby keeping your data and access to your Tesla's remote functions secure. In addition, when setting up regularly scheduled backups of your TeslaMate data, you can save the backups in AWS's S3 storage service. If you're unfamiliar with TeslaMate or Amazon Web Services and would like more information, please feel free to check out the links in this video's description and subscribe to the channel to be notified when the how-to videos are published, and thanks for watching.